Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and this is part of my order from DIYCHOOSE. I'm going to do it in two parts. So this is the first part. Let's get into it. This is tools, all tools as you can see. So let's show you these. These are beautiful. These are some fancy little scissors. And I mean, you can use these for whatever you would like, whatever craft you would like. Okay, no. Cannot get into them like that. They're apparently all taped up and stuff. So let's get into it. Yeah. There we go. Maybe, maybe not. Still can't get in. I'm still not in. Goodness gracious. What kind of tape did they put on this thing? I'm about to kill myself with it, right? I'm going to stab myself. Look out. Okay, here we go. Now I got it. These were so pretty. So they are called high quality stainless steel blades, elegant European styling, sharp points. They're sharp, perfect for cross stitch, needlepoint quilting, sewing. Wait, where's crochet? I don't see crochet in there. How about opening diamond painting drill bags? Anyhow, look at them. Aren't they pretty? Look how pretty those are. They are like a rose goldy bronze color. Love those. Wow, those are nice. I like them. I like them a lot. I need a little lanyard for them. Although I don't know where I would hook the little, through here maybe. I don't know. They're so pretty though. I love them. I like them. They're sharp too. Ooh, be careful. They're sharp. Okay. Love those. Nice little pair of scissors. They were not expensive at all. Very inexpensive. Okay. These I got super excited about. Yes, I keep trying all the different crochet hooks, but these, I guess I didn't really realize when I ordered these that these are small hooks. Like the hook size is small. So like if you crochet, you know that we get those little steel hooks, and those are the little itty bitty sizes. That's what these are. These are the itty bitty sizes. Like the largest one is right here, and it is a 2.75, right? So these go all the way down to, I mean, how low did they get? How low can you go? I don't know, pretty low. How low? Let's see, I'm putting them in order. A 0.8, what in the world can you do with that thing? What can you do with 0.8? That's like, I don't know. 1.75, I'm putting them in order. Hang on, putting them in order so we can figure out what we got here. 2.5. Where's this one go? 2. He's a 2. Okay, there we go. So they're all in order. I love these. Okay, they're very pretty. We got these pastel handles. Here's the smallest one. 0.8. What do you do? What? Okay, what? Hang on. Come on. Focus. What? This is bent, first of all, but what can you do with that hook? What can you do with that hook right there? It looks really big, but imagine, that's my finger. Look, it's teeny tiny, and it is bent, but I would never use that in a million years. Plus, because it got bent, now it's not even in line properly. Anyhow, the handles are nice. They're a rubbery handle. I like the handles, and they come in all these pretty colors. So this one is a 1. Anybody ever crochet anything with a 1? That's tiny. 1.25. 1.5. Now we're getting to where I might be able to do something. Angie's got me doing this doily. Oh my goodness. And we're using thread. I'm going to have to, oh my gosh. At least I'm using this size right here. I'm using a 1.75. Look how big that one is. Oh my gosh, it's so much bigger than the rest. But anyhow, normally these are little steel hooks. And they're the steel hook all the way. And they're small because these are small little hooks. I like these handles. I think it's going to be much more comfortable on my hand. So these are all small. That's a 2. And then we have 2.25, 2.5, and 2.75. Now those look like I could actually use those. I could actually crochet with those bad boys. But these other ones, I don't know. But I didn't know they were small. I didn't know they were the small set like that. So I'm happy that I have them because I'm going to be pulling this little puppy out of here next week. And we're going to be using this little guy right here. Look, it could hook my ring. Seriously. Oh my gosh. Angie, what have you gotten me into? That's tiny. How pretty. I love the handles. Love it. Okay, that might help me out. That might be a lifesaver right there. Okay. So I got some new scissors. I got some new hooks. And then I have this. I love these. I wish I could find more in the big cases, but large Tic Tac containers. I have a solution. I love the containers, and they're just hard to find. Craftably had them, sold right out. Santa Direct had them on Amazon, sold right out. Tima, DP with sparklers. She had them, sold right out. They're my favorite. But you can take them out of these little cases and you can put them in other storage systems. So if you go like to Michael's or Joann's and you get one of the big plastic 12 by 12 inch boxes that you can keep scrapbook paper in, you put a whole bunch of these in there. I don't know how many yet. I haven't tried. I don't know how many it's going to hold yet, but they will fit in there. I've also got a nail polish stand. It's tiered and it's for sitting nail polishes. You can put these on there. So there's different ways you can use these instead of just this small. I mean, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is that? 20, 28, right? 24, 28, 24. 32. How many are there? I don't know. 32. Okay. Anyhow, it's been a long day. I've been recording all day. They are my favorites. They fit a nice label here on the top, a nice size label on the top. This will open and you can dump your drills out. I can even pour them back in like that. You just put your little spout in there, and they'll go right back in there, right? Or it's easy to just pull the top off, dump and pour and dump and whatnot. They fasten nicely. Did you see? I mean, it's got a nice closure. Not all of them do. Some have a little defect, you know, but you can sort through those if you'd like, but it's not really that big a deal, honestly. My favorites. Love those. Inexpensive. Collect them in the small cases. Figure out a different way to store them. If anybody finds them in the large cases, please let me know. I want more in the actual nice cases. You know what I mean? But that's my tool haul. The tool haul of the day. All right. Next one will be diamond painting stuff. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you come back, see more stuff, hit the like button, subscribe, all those good things that you guys do. And hope to see you around on the tubes. See you guys. Bye.